A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means save.
Apple means save.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means gained.
Ball means gained.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy.
Cat means billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
Dog means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant means hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
Grape means angur.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
Jug means jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means sher.
Lion means sher.
M for mango.
M for mango.
Mango means aam.
Mango means aam.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means घोंसला.
Nest means घोंसला.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means संतरा.
Orange means santra.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means तोता.
Parrot means tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means रानी.
Queen means rani.
R for rose.
R for rose.
Rose means गुलाब.
Rose means gulab.
S for ship.
S for sheep.
Ship means जहाज.
Ship means jahaj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means बाघ.
Tiger means bag.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means छाता.
Umbrella means chata.
B for van.
V for van.
Van means गाड़ी.
Van means gaadi.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
Watch means gadi.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Xmas means Christmas. Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra.